the quiet hours when the city's lights fade low, I trace your shadow on the walls we used to know. Stars are whispering secrets through the cracks in the sky. We've been running circles, but tonight we learn to fly. Your voice like a river carving paths in my soul. Echoes of tomorrow and the stories we told. Hold on to the fragments, let the colors bleed through. We're more than the wreckage, we're the light breaking new. And no more hiding in the hollows of what might have been. Feel the pull of the infinite.